Guys, in this video I will show you how easy it is to confirm your guests for the housewarming party. So you need just to click here, get started. For example, housewarming, Josh and Alena, and I will just put here the date and the hour and flower streets and 28 and create link. And here we need to log in using your Google account or creating using email and password. I will use my Google account here, and that is all that you need. It's fantastic. You need just to share this link with your guests, and your guests will open this link and for example, Yana Jones, and click here confirm, and that's all. And you can to manage your event and to see how many people will attend it on your party. It is amazing, it's simple to manage it, and this website called convid.online.